Hey guys, it's Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Check out another release on our linear design flooring. This is in a gray tone and we are calling it SPC045X Symmetry. The X represents the extreme 30 mil wear layer. I've racked out a whole box of this product so you can see all the color variation. Very sleek design. In this area I have a full spectrum photography light, so it really is showing good true color. Over this way I have some natural light. Very modern, contemporary design. Great for those that really don't want any character in their floor, and that the floor just serves as a backdrop for all their other furniture and fine art. Getting down closer, see the fine grain? Very pretty floor. You guys can order samples on our website now, and they are free. So please go to www.WeShipFloors.com and get your free samples today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.